Hello dears, welcome to Anjude Vlogs from the next country, Czech Republic. And we are in Prague, the capital of Czech Republic. The language here is Czech. One more thing, out of all the other European cities we visited, the currency here is different, which is Corona, Czech Corona. We started from Berlin as always in train. This time, the visuals from the train was the best because we were able to witness the first European snow on the way while in the train. After the amazing ride, we reached Prague. This time, for a change, we had booked for an apartment. It is called the Old Town Square Apartments and one of the best and spacious rooms to stay, for sure, no doubt. You can also try if you are planning a visit to Prague. Now, the apartment tour instead of room tour. And the apartment has three bedrooms, washroom, kitchen, all facilities, even laundry. Everything was there. It was very comfortable, like a home away from home.
We also have a balcony in this apartment and the view is amazing.
After taking some rest, it was New Year's Eve, guys, that too in this Disneyland type of city, Prague. And the New Year here is very famous with lot of fireworks. We were so excited to watch that yesterday. We came out and we were kind of shocked to see the crowd. It was that crowded. Around 50,000 people we could find in and around this old town square. We were kind of really amazed to see that. And the fireworks, it was one of the best we have seen in any other New Year's till date. Yesterday, we wanted to try something which is really staple to this place, and we went in for a very famous restaurant here and we ordered knuckle, which is a meat knuckle, and we were kind of wow, looking at the kind of meat they served. It was so big, large in quantity for us. We both shared it. We loved the dish. It was so delicious, well cooked meat. Definitely, it is a must try when you are in Prague. If you are a non vegetarian, please go for knuckle. Today morning, we are already in the first destination, that is again the Old Town Square. Yesterday we came here only to witness a great firework. There are multiple locations in Prague where you can witness the fireworks. New Town Square, the bridge, and even a hilltop everywhere. I'll take you soon. So this is the Old Town Square, one of the vibrant square of Prague. There are castles, church, gardens, markets, everything in and around this square. So let's have a quick look into the square. This is the famous astronomical clock of Prague. The next important destination is the Charles Bridge, which you can see behind me. It is a medieval stone arch bridge. It is important because it stays as a connection between the Prague castle and the old town. It is built above the Vltava River of Prague, Czech Republic. Even the river cruise in Vltava River is very famous. Yesterday while coming, the river was actually frozen. So in many parts, I don't think the cruise will be active. But in this part, you can still see the river cruise. This bridge definitely has a royal feel with all those sculptures on either sides. The kind of lamps kept on the bridge. Everything together is making it a real royal bridge. On the way to the Prague castle, after crossing the bridge, we saw this amazing restaurant, very good ambience with all these fur and all for seating. And it's called Garden Menu in the restaurant U Patrona. And we just ordered pancake with chocolate and strawberry, also some hot chocolate. In this climate, drinking hot chocolate, if you have already noticed, my voice has changed because yesterday night it was minus degrees. So, and we were kind of shouting during the fireworks, and now my voice is down. So that's why I need some hot chocolate. It's time to jump into this delicious looking pancake.
Nice.
I think after crossing the bridge, the streets are more like in a slope.
The hot chocolate was much required before reaching the Prague castle because it was a long way to walk taking the staircase. But after reaching here, it was worth it because the view from here is just amazing. You can see the entire Prague town. So you can see the castle here. If you buy ticket, you can go inside the castle and have a good view of the entire architecture. This is the view of Prague Castle. You can find the guards in front of the gate. Inside, definitely you're going to have stunning architecture. If you're interested to view such palace, such castle, please do take tickets and go inside. So this is the other side of the castle. From here you can see how big it is.
Now it's time for a Christmas market in Prague. Prague is also the historical capital of Bohemia. That is why everywhere you can see the board as Bohemian.
After coming from the castle, we just climbed to this Petrin hill. From atop, you can even find the sunrise or you can come for sunset. The views will be amazing. On the way to this hill, you can also find one basilica. It was very beautiful. We went inside. The ceiling had a lot of paintings. A beautiful Virgin Mary basilica. Here you can find the tower of Petrin Hill. People are climbing that tower. There is an observation deck I can see from here. Let's go see the beautiful view of Prague town. Without climbing itself, you can find such a beautiful view. Even there is a bistro and cafe here. Coming to the hilltop, having some coffee will definitely be a different feel. There are some cottages I can find here. Not sure if people are staying there. The beautiful buildings of Prague. It looks really colorful, unique in its own way. So this is even called the Eiffel Tower of Petrin. That's what I can read from here. A la Petite Eiffel. While going back, we took the stairway. So we can find some people taking the stairway and coming up.
The old town of Prague is a World Heritage Site. Another must-try while in Prague is the old Czech chimney cake. We were lucky to try it and we loved it. Especially the corn part of it was super delicious. We came back to the old town area taking the Charles Bridge. This time there was an ocean of crowd. Maybe they woke up late after New Year Eve and started exploring the city.
Now this is the Christmas market in the old town. Now we are in the Wenceslas Square. This is a main square of Prague covering the new town area of Prague. Here you can find lot of branded shops on either side of the road, and people are walking like crazy here, even doing shopping, getting into restaurants. We are also walking over the streets and just exploring the city as much as possible. In between doing some shopping, we usually get some snacks to eat while traveling by train. When we are in any place, we love exploring the food also. Now it's time to enter this vlog from Prague. Everything about Prague was great. Be it the New Year Eve, the New Year Day that is today, the food we tasted, the city we explored, everything together was really great. We loved the place. Last year 2024 was like we were globetrotting throughout, and this year we started in a great place. Hope everyone had a great new year. We'll soon meet you from another country in Europe. Stay tuned to my channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.